Hey guys, welcome back here in the forest. Today I'm on the bird feeding place again, and I will hang up the feeding stations here in the trees. But first I will show you the recordings from the game camera from the feeding station in my backyard. So yes, here they are. Okay guys, that's the work of the last 2 days. I built 2 more feeding stations and I have a lot of bird aid in this bucket, and what I'm doing now is that I search for some good places here, and then I will hang 2 of them up in the trees, and this one I will put on the ground so foxes and mice and all that kind of little animals can eat from them. So yes. I think I found the perfect places for the feeding stations, so I will show you. The first feeding station I will put here on the ground, because here is a little wildlife path, or I don't know what's in English. Maybe you can see it. Here's a little path, and because this I will put the first feeding station here, and the second I will hang up in this tree here, because there are a lot of birds. And the last feeding station I will hang up in this tree there. So yes, let's do it. I think so, it's very good. Okay, I think the second one is finished too. Okay guys, I put this stone here on the top so no rain is coming in, and now I fill them with food aid. And yes, then I'm finished. Okay, the first station is full. I think it's really good. Okay guys, the bird 8 is empty now. And the last thing what I'm doing now is that I hang my game camera on this tree here. So here on the ground, that I can see what's happened on this feeding station. Maybe I change the place in a week to this feeding station there behind, or to this feeding station, but for the beginning I will put them there. Okay, that's it. Okay guys, I'm finished now. The game camera is ready. And the feeding stations are full. And I go back home now, and I will come, I don't know, maybe in a week again and check the game camera and replace it. Maybe, I don't know, but maybe. And if the game camera record something, I will show you in a short video. So if you don't miss it, subscribe my channel and activate the clock. See you next Friday. Bye.